Hi there guys, just a very quick walk around video for this customer order 2-berth baseline conversion made by us here at SK Conversions, based on a brand new 150 DSG Highline Ascot Grey T6.1. It's one of those colours that you either love it or you hate it. So all the usual Highline features for the 6.1: front and rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning, heated screen, this particular model, LED headlights and tail lights. Also factory single passenger seat, swiveling front seat. The conversion itself, as I said, is our the 2-berth version of our baseline camper. So traditional looking camper van. So we've got a 12-volt compressor fridge. A couple of upgrades going on here as well. So we've got the SWB gas grill, Eberspacher D2L diesel heater. Controller for that is up on the center console in the roof. And there's a solar panel, 160 watt slim solar panel on the top, and the black Fiamma F45s rollout awning. Rib seat, 112 centimetre with 200mm slider, gives you a little bit more leg room on the inside of the van. And the SWB double hob and grill, double hob and sink unit going on in there as well. So dimmable LED lights under the flyover locker there. Two 12-volt spotlights, USB socket, 12-volt power, and two 13-amp sockets on the far side. We've got a 12-volt socket down here on the near side, battery level tester, and another 13-amp socket under there. Blackout curtains and cab curtain system, 240-volt hookup as well as a mains powered trickle charger, and plenty of storage. So this conversion's available in 2-berth and 4-berth. We usually pair it with a Skyline pop top for the 4-berth version. This particular vehicle is say a customer order, so it's already sold. But if you're looking for anything specific, whether it's on a brand new van or a nearly new van, then please don't hesitate to give us a call and discuss what you need. Thanks for watching.